Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into the world of SGC, or the SGC token, a crypto coin linked to the KI Battle of Three Kingdoms game. We'll explore how to potentially acquire it through platforms like MEXC and LBank, all within the Binance Smart Chain or BSC. We'll also touch upon its connections to NFTs and its relevance in the SG, presumably Singapore. The goal is to provide you with a guide on understanding and potentially acquiring SGC. So, what exactly is the SGC token? Well, SGC stands for awaiting more information to define this, and at its core, it functions with utility within the KI Battle of Three Kingdoms game. It may also have governance aspects, allowing holders to participate in decisions. SGC might also give rewards and incentives to its holders. It's built on the Binance Smart Chain, or BSC, utilizing smart contract features. As for tokenomics, we're talking about the total supply of SGC, how it's distributed, allocation for the team, marketing, etc., and whether there's a burning mechanism to reduce the supply, and, of course, the circulating supply currently available. Let's delve into the KI Battle of Three Kingdoms game and its integration with SGC. The KI Battle of Three Kingdoms game will be an immersive world. Within the game, SGC serves several purposes: purchasing in-game items to aid your journey, upgrading characters and equipment for a competitive edge, participating in special events to gain unique rewards, and earning rewards simply through active gameplay. Beyond that, SGC is intrinsically linked to NFTs within the game. This includes the NFT marketplace within the ecosystem where you can trade these assets, and understanding the scarcity and value of these NFTs is crucial. Now, how can you potentially buy SGC token? One way is through MEXC exchange. You'll need to create an account, verify it, deposit funds like USDT or BNB, and then trade SGC on the MEXC spot market, likely using the SGC/USDT trading pair. Another option is LBank exchange, which follows a similar process: account creation and verification, depositing funds such as USDT or BNB, and then trading SGC on the LBank spot market using the SGC/USDT trading pair. Finally, you can explore PancakeSwap, a decentralized exchange, or DX. For this, you will connect a Web3 wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, add the SGC token contract address to your wallet, swap BNB for SGC, and carefully manage your slippage tolerance settings. SGC is built on the Binance Smart Chain, or BSC, so let's understand what that means. The benefits of BSC include low transaction fees, ensuring that moving your SGC doesn't cost a fortune. Plus, it boasts fast transaction speeds, which means your transactions will go through quickly. And it's compatible with popular wallets like MetaMask and Trust Wallet. To keep track of things, you can use BSC Scan to view SGC transactions and contract details. Let's discuss NFTs in the SGC ecosystem. You could expect to find various types of NFTs, such as character NFTs, equipment NFTs, and maybe even land NFTs. These NFTs offer in-game advantages, such as stat boosts or unique abilities, and you might even find staking rewards associated with them. Remember that rarity and value of NFTs will depend on a number of factors, so be aware of what determines an NFT's value. These NFTs can be bought and sold on the SGC marketplace. Before you dive in, let's talk about security. Look for information on smart contract audits performed on the SGC smart contract to ensure its integrity. It's also important to secure your private keys and seed phrases. Never share these with anyone. Consider using hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor for enhanced security. And always be cautious of phishing scams. Double-check website addresses and email senders. It is crucial to do your own research. Be sure to independently research and assess the risks before investing. Now, regarding SGC in Singapore, or SG, it's essential to be aware of any specific regulations that may apply to holding or trading SGC in Singapore. Please remember that I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Always seek professional advice. Adherence to local laws and compliance with regulations are paramount. In conclusion, we've covered the key points about SGC, the KI Battle of Three Kingdoms game, and how to potentially buy the token through various exchanges and DEXs, all while emphasizing the importance of security and responsible investment. I encourage you to research further, join the community, and consider investing responsibly. Please remember, this is not financial advice. Invest at your own risk. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.